Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. I hope you are having a great day out there. I know it is a beautiful day here. This is another one of those. This beautiful Boxyluxe box just landed on my front porch. So I ran right up to make a video because there's something that I want to tell you and I want to do it so I don't forget before we get into it. If you haven't ever signed up for Boxycharm and you think that it's something you might like to do, last month, we received this full-size Becca Hydra Mist, and it's just the setting powder that you can put on that's got glycerin and water in it, and it has that real moist feeling. If you sign up between now and tomorrow, September 12th, at 11:59 p.m., yeah, that's right, you get free, and I'll put this code below because I think it's Get Becca, but there might be more to it, so I'll put it right here. You get free this full-size Becca Hydra Mist setting powder. We got this in our box last month and I have been using it every day. It is my new favorite setting powder and it's a $36 value. So if you've been on the fence about whether you wanted to sign up for Boxycharm or not, that is an incentive. I'll put my link below, but if you have a friend, go sign up through them. Just wanted you to know you can get that free through tomorrow, midnight basically, 11:59, September 12th. Okay, back to Boxycharm. This is the Boxyluxe month. If you sign up for Boxycharm, it's a monthly beauty subscription. For $21, we generally get 5 full-size products each month. But every third month, if you want to, you can sign up for Boxyluxe. And this is usually about 8 full-size products. And they put other things in here like, I think this month, one of the variations is a curling iron. And I'm thinking, based on the size of my box, that I might have received said curling iron. They sent out an email early in the month and they said, if we could accommodate you, would you rather have this or that? This or that? And I picked all of those and I chose the or that of the curling iron. It was or brushes, but I think based on this, I may have the curling iron, but let's get in here and find out. I get so excited for Boxy month because I love the Boxycharm. I don't think I have ever had a Boxycharm, especially Boxyluxe, truly disappoint. So this is my box, Boxycharm, and this is the paper that's going to tell us everything we have in here. So let's just dig right in. All right, so this month's theme is all access, and this is what that looks like. And the back of this piece of paper tells us everything we've received in our box. I wonder what variation I am. It doesn't say it on the back. Oh, that's on the front. I am a 5L. I'm so excited. I watched Julie unboxings, just unbox hers, and I think she was a 5L. And when she was done, I was like, oh, I hope I get that same box. So here we go. Let's find out what I've got. Reaching right in. Oh, I have poppers. I will set those aside for shipping. Right on top, I have a Tarte Park Avenue Princess, and this actually is one of the items that was a would you rather have this or that, and I chose this. And I know some people were worried about this because apparently it was in their box about a year ago, but they promised that if you had received it back then, you would not receive it this time. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. It is heavy and shiny and it's like metal. It is gorgeous. This says the Park Avenue Princess Palette. Want to create that perfect seamless sun-kissed radiance? It's now easier than ever to bronze and glow with Tarte's best-selling multitasking bronzer, formulated to blend and build your perfect level of uniform bronze. All right, $45 value. Did I tell you that when you go up to Boxyluxe, it becomes a $49.99 box? So it's $50 every 3 months. But this alone is a $45 product. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love this. Let me use my card to block the mirror. And look how gorgeous that is. So nice. There are a couple colors on here, like maybe this one, that might be just a shade too dark, but I think I can use, even with my light skin, I'm thinking if it's buildable and blendable, I can use all of the colors. I'm just going to show you a few of the colors here. These light ones, this feels just like a nice setting powder. I love this. And it has that nice tart chocolatey scent that some of them have. Lovely. We're off to a great start. I love Boxyluxe. Do you guys feel the same way? Let me know below. What is, like, if you had to pick what your favorite subscription box is, what would it be? For makeup, I think it would probably be Boxyluxe for me. Next I have, and I am so excited because this was another thing that I wanted, is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette, and that is what that looks like. And I will tell you, having not really seen the colors in person, the reason I was excited about this is one of my first Boxycharm boxes, I received the full-sized Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. Actually, I used it today, and that is a complete fluke. I love her shadows. I love the formula. I love the colors that she chooses. Let's see what this says. The Essentials eyeshadow palette provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward, neutral looks. The Essentials palette was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless color combinations. And this is a $29 value, so we are already exceeding the cost of the box. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. I am going to use the Heckamadoo out of this. Cover that up. Oh my gosh, look at those colors. How gorgeous is that, guys? That is so pretty. Let's swatch a couple of these colors. Like this terracotta, oh, and it feels so creamy. This terracotta, oh, and it's gonna be buildable. Oh, it is. I love that. That is so pretty. Let's see what else. The gold next to it. We all want to know what gold looks like, right? Oh, it's gorgeous. You know, I just love the Violet Voss formulations. I hope you're getting this. I don't know why my light seems to be blowing everything out today. Oh, and the emerald green. We gotta try the emerald green. Oh, it's pretty. These colors are completely buildable. Of course, I'm doing it with my fingers. It's very different with the brush. But in the first pass, it seems like a nice light color. And in the second pass, you get a better wash of color. That is, I'm loving this. I got one finger left. What should we try? Let's try this pretty plum berry on the bottom. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I didn't even go back in for a second of that. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm telling you, I am so excited that I got this. I wanted, of all of the things in this box, this $29 palette is what I was looking forward to the most because like I said, I have used the Violet Voss products in the past and I love her eyeshadow palettes. All right, let's see what I've got next. I do have the curling iron. I have not seen one person unbox the brushes yet. I wonder if the brushes were like a white whale. I wonder how many people received them. If you see somebody that unboxes that, or if you got it yourself, let me know who got those brushes because they were just Moda Professional brushes, but they looked really cool. This is a curling iron, but it is the kind that you do not have a clip for, that you have to hold and wrap your hair. And I have never done that because I have always been afraid. But this is what it looks like. It is a big barrel too, which is okay because my hair is fairly long. But it is from Suva. And that is what that looks like actually. Here's the paperwork that I just ripped. Oh, Sutra, not Suva. Suva is eyeshadows and makeup. Sutra. And it is the 32 millimeter or 1 1/4 inch. Wow, that seems bigger than that. Clipless curling iron with cool tip. Interesting. It does not seem to have come with a glove. Some of them come with gloves. Let's see what the paperwork says about it. Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip is the perfect tool for beach waves, glam curls, soft or tight curls, and even ringlets. This top-of-the-line curling iron has a ceramic heating element and an infused titanium polished barrel. $65. So this one alone, more than the cost of the box. If I do this, you guys will know. I'll be up here looking like Shirley Temple. Okay, let's reach in and see what's next. Next I came prepared for this too, a Hank & Henry Slick With It. Now, if you watch my channel, you know that I just did a Hank & Henry unboxing and I received 2 of these Slick With It's in there. And this one is in Blickety Black. And I have not opened my other Blickety Black either. But what I did bring up to show you is I have opened and used, actually I used it today, but the odds that you're going to be able to see my liner. because I do a very small line right at my lash. My eye space is so short that if I do a nice, it's too much. But I brought it up to show you how these work because they are gorgeous. My eyes tend to tear and I'm not having them run at all. And what else I liked about them is you can use them super thin, a little thicker, and then super thick. They are great, great liners. I am enjoying them a lot. But see how I did the 3 different thicknesses on there? And it's so easy. I think it's a brush tip. You know, there's sometimes a brush tip and a felt tip, and this definitely looks like and feels like and moves like a brush tip. It's got bend to it. I am thoroughly enjoying this liner. Let's see what this says about that. The Hank & Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner is their latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids, which I also have too, which is why I can't wear a thick line. And it has a $20 value and it's already dried. I mean, this is, yeah, I mean, you just watch me do that and there's no movement on it. It is dry completely. I love this eyeliner. Next, I have a Stila Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. Perfect. I came up barely lipped so that if we had a lip in the box, we could play with it. And I received Patina Shimmer. Let's see what it looks like. This is another great box. I get so excited over these boxes. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. I've seen other people unpack it and I really thought that it was going to be a nuder tone than this, and it's not. Mine is super pink. Let's see what this says and then we'll put it on. Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, the original Power Pout. Stila's award-winning full coverage creamy liquid lipstick delivers bold, long-lasting color that wears comfortably for up to 12 hours. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, this lightweight formula softens lips so they look and feel beautiful. And it has a $22 value. Oh, it is. Look how pretty that is. It's very pink and it's shiny on here. Let's see what this does. I should have scraped this off. There was a little too much on that doe foot. This feels fantastic. We'll see through the rest of the video how it dries down, but this is what I'm looking for in a color. I put a lot of those reds and those darker colors on and I like them, but in my day-to-day life, drying down already. This is the color that I am always trying to achieve. It's awesome. I know you guys think I'm such a dork. I get so excited. Okay, next we have the IGGK Mistress. Oh my goodness, I love IGGK. This is a hydrating hair balm. I have never tried this because my hair tends to get a little oily and I had been trying to wash it every other day and that's just not working in my life. So I have a lot more flexibility with what I apply to it as far as balms and that kind of thing go when I know I'm going to wash it every day. This on the back says, and just for the record, the call out on this is crazy. They say that it is vegan, cruelty and gluten-free, it's UV protection, it is mineral oil and petrolatum free, paraben and sulfate free, and it is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. And this says that it is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. One sentence about the IGGK. It says that it is $29, and I know that to be true because the IGGK products are not inexpensive. I actually am using their volumizer now, and I like it a lot. So I'll just put a little bit of this on here so you guys can see it. And it looks kind of like a gel. See how it just has a gel feel, or gel look? Has a gel feel too. Oh, it smells so good. Kind of coconutty. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's lovely. It's just kind of like a hair scent, you know, like good hair products scent, but with a little under coconut in there. It does say that it has parfum fragrance in it. So, it smells delightful. All right, a couple more. I have the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness. Yay! And signs of irritation. Oh my goodness, people. If you watch my channel, you know I have super sensitive skin and I fight redness and irritation constantly. This is a 1.7 ounce full size. And let's see what the paperwork says about it. Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask is a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. $52. So this alone is the cost of the box. And let's see what it looks like, because I will for sure be using this, and I'll be using it soon. Put it on the opposite side. It looks very much like the gel that I just showed you. It's a little bit white creamier. And I'll use a different finger and let's see what, oh, it's nice and moisturizing. It has a little bit of a green scent. You know, a little earthy, greeny. Very convenient to sniff. Oh, that feels nice. I will be doing this and I will review it, because for $52, before you go out and buy something like that, you want to know if it does anything. So I will try this and I will review it for you guys. If you want me to, let me know below what you think about that. And last but not least, and this is another one of the selections that they allowed you to make, and this is the selection that I make. So they got this one right and this one right and this one right. The only thing that I didn't get was I asked for the brushes and I got the curling iron, but they admitted up front that they weren't sure they could accommodate everything. So 3 out of 4 or 4 out of 5, however it works out, I am more than happy, because look, Sunday Riley is a full-sized Sunday Riley Tidal. I am so excited about this. Let me tell you. It says, Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. An advanced brightening and refining treatment fused into a next-generation water cream. Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream delivers an intense water drench with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid and tamarind extract, so your skin looks youthful, hydrated, and plumped. Papaya enzymes smooth and exfoliate, while alpha-arbutin visibly brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Tidal increases hydration by up to 68% in as little as 15 minutes for up to 24 hours of continuous moisture. So we got to choose between this and the pineapple serum from, I think, Glow. And I went on and did research about both of them, because, you know, with my sensitive skin, you guys know I don't usually use anything that acts like it's going to eat off your face. And this said a lot of things about being good for people with sensitive skin, and it didn't have any of the ingredients that I flat out mark off my list. So I thought that this would be the perfect way to try it. So I am so excited. All right, guys, that is my Boxycharm box, and I think that was one heck of a box. So I got the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, the Tarte Park Princess Face Contouring Bronzing Palette, the Tidal Sunday Riley Brightening, the IGGK Mistress Hydrating Balm, the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, the Curling Iron, a Stila Lip, which has dried down, and the Blickety Black Slick With It Hank and Henry Eyeliner. So after some quick math, all total, my box has a $327 value. This was $49.95. But like I say, with so many of my boxes, the value only matters if they're products you're going to use. And I can tell you that in this box of 8 products, I will use every one of the products. So 2 thumbs up for Boxyluxe September box. I love it. I love it. Don't forget, I have my link below, or use a friend's link, whoever you want, but through September 12th, which is just tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. Eastern, if you sign up and use the code that I gave you earlier, you can get this Becca Hydra Mist, $36 value, free. I love the box. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I know this is probably going up late because it came late and now I've got to go edit it. So have a great evening, and I will see you soon with more videos. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put more videos up, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.